Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my bacon jalapeno deviled eggs. For this recipe I'm using 6 eggs and I'm just putting them in my pot here and covering them with water and put it on the stove to boil. I know everyone has their own way of boiling eggs, so I'll just tell you how I do mine. I let it boil for 10 minutes and then I turn off the stove and let it sit on the stove for 10 more minutes. Then I drain out the water and then cover with cold water and drain that out one more time and then you're good to go. This always works for me and I never have problems with peeling the eggs. Now I'm going to cut the eggs in half and take out the yolks and put them in my bowl. I like to use a fork to mash the yolks before I put in the other ingredients. I know there are 1,000,001 ways how to make deviled eggs, but my rule is I go by what flavors I like. So you be the boss of your deviled eggs. Okay, so now I'm adding all the good stuff. The first thing is the cream cheese, some mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, and I'm adding some salt and pepper to taste. Then you just want to give everything a good mix. I like to add some crispy jalapeños to mine. This just takes it to another level. And then some crumbled up bacon and some cilantro. I know you're thinking, gal, you crazy to put cilantro in your deviled egg. But the cilantro just add this brightness to it, their freshness. So after I mix everything together, I like to put it in a bag, and this just makes it easier. So use any bag you want, just cut the tip off. It's always hard to judge how much to put in each one at first, so I always go back and try to fill them evenly. Then I like to garnish it with extra bacon and a slice of jalapeno. That way people know what they're getting. If you don't like it so spicy, feel free to take out the jalapeno before you eat it. My husband doesn't like it so spicy, but I do. I roll deep when it comes to pepper. Anyway, I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's so good. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.